Hi O'Reilly. I'm so nervous doing this presentation or this demo. I hope you would like it and get some ideas about what I'm wanting to present at the conference. So I saw the information about your conference some weeks ago and realized that it actually matches very well the project that I'm currently working on at Zalando Helsinki. We are experimenting with passing information through the Kafka message bus in a new way, which is based on code. So data is actually described as a code. There is no separate schematics or schema, but the code itself defines this is how the data looks like. And this provides some better means of validation of the data, because you can make unit tests on the data, you can make assertions that are not available on normal JSON schemas. But that's only one facet of the whole concept. The context is server-to-server communications. And our problem in making what is called the Zalando message bus was that everybody was planning it from the inside out. And I'm part of a team that makes customer-facing apps. So we were a little bit lost on how is this relevant to us? How is the data being delivered so that we would be able to make easily sense out of it? And the prototype essentially tries to optimize the customer-facing application developer experience so that for those teams it's easy, they get trustworthy data, and they get it in a format which suits them. So essentially it's an integration level, both sides of the Kafka message bus. Now, why would this be interesting to your audience? I think Kafka is a very groundbreaking technology in the way that it turns the database inside out. It helps you to move the burden and the bottleneck of serving data from the core of the company to the edges by making a cascade of caches, if you will. And that has tremendous value for companies such as Zalando. However, I think we don't fully understand yet how that should be done. We come with the microservices mentality, and we're used to REST APIs and JSON. And these are not necessarily the best matches when it comes to doing data streams. So that's essentially the core of the message. I got the prototype running just today, and by October I think we might have feedback and experiences in trying it out in production or in some application. I hope so. So I plan to have a presentation which is very pragmatic, very based on actual working code, and which would open a discussion with the audience as to what their approaches are, what kind of problems they have faced. I took the 50-minute slot. I think that is way enough time for doing this. The presentation itself can be a lot shorter than that. I have done presentations before in front of audience, and I think this will make a good one. I'm also open to any kind of suggestions as you might have as to how the actual job should be done. So the rest of the details in text. I hope you like the contents, and thanks for the opportunity.